Hey guys, I hope you are having great trips with our Husqvarna Fairing 701 fairing kit. And although we believe your kit is still capable of many more miles, we would like you to take advantage of our latest innovations. We have good news for you. You can upgrade your aluminium tower for the new F5 version, the new carbon tower. The main innovation of the new F5 kit is a tower. We have used our previous Dakar experiences and we have designed full carbon tower. The main benefit is easier handling of the motorbike because you significantly reduce the weight in front and up. The new carbon tower is 800 grams lighter than the previous aluminium one. The carbon tower is made in autoclave under high pressure and high temperature, so actually the same technology as is used in aerospace or KTM factory is using for their RADE bike. Our tower is made from variable amount of layers. For instance, here in the attachment area is specifically reinforced with 8 layers of a carbon. We did some RADE riding with the carbon tower and we trust the technology itself and the manufacturing process that we decided to give the lifetime warranty on our RG carbon tower. Second improvements comes also from the RADE Dakar experience. The GPS bar is now mounted on a silent box. Yes, so all devices fitted in there are, let's say, more protected against the vibrations. And also the fairing mounts are on a silent blocks. So when the fairing gets a hit, so the silent blocks partially absorb the hit and the tower is more protected against the damage. We pay also attention to the space for navigation. The GPS bar is now more wider, so you can fit there actually 2 handsets next to each other, a tablet like Samsung Galaxy Tab or CarPlay Eater. RG wants to be known for great attention to their customers. Therefore, when we update our product lines, we offer upgrades for our existing customers where possible. We even modify our design process to make this possible. This ensures everyone can use the benefits of RG latest models for lower cost. We don't want to force you to buy the whole kit. We offer you just the upgrade pieces instead. We hope you appreciate that, and we are thankful for your loyalty.